Hey everyone, in this video, I'll explain how to set up bleed correctly in Canva for printing. Bleed is the extra space around the outside of your design that will be cut off during production. Crop marks indicate where to cut, but trimming isn't always 100% accurate. If your artwork has images or text near the edge, misalignment could leave a white border. Here's how to prevent that. Let's use this design as an example. Duplicate the page. Go to the file, click Settings, and enable Show Print Bleed. Page 1 has no enlarged bleed. Page 2 will show the correct setup. Go to the Position tab. Under Layers, click the background. Then double-click the background on the page. Enlarge your background to extend beyond the visible page edges. To download, click Share, then select Download. Choose PDF print for the best print quality. Check the boxes for crop marks and bleed. Click Download. Let me show you how the downloaded document displays. Page 1 shows artwork that doesn't reach the crop marks, risking a white edge after trimming. Page 2's design overlaps the crop marks, ensuring no white gaps post-cutting. Thank you for watching.